Subscribe to Jazzy's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hi guys, welcome to Jazzy's Recipes and this is Jazla Ismat. What I get into your kitchen today is simple egg sandwich. You can find the written recipe link in the description box. The first thing that we need to make is an egg potato mixture. For that, take a large bowl and combine 2 boiled potatoes, 1 hard-boiled egg, finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped garlic, green chilies, finely chopped onion, butter, pepper, and use the back of a fork or potato masher to mash ingredients until evenly combined and smooth. Next, season with some salt, lemon juice from half of a lemon, and add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and stir until well combined. Next, spoon the mixture onto bread and generously spread a layer of egg mixture. And finally cover it with a slice of a bread. Press them little and grill or toast till the sandwich is crisp and golden. Finally, this is done and ready. Do try this at home and let us know how you liked it. And also do not forget to watch what next Jazzy's recipes bring into your kitchen. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Jazzy's Recipes for recipe notification. Thank you for watching.